Okay, here we are, mid-July, July 25th, Sunday, making some potato salad. Mom started potato salad yesterday. Already did. Tell us what you did yesterday.
Well, I boiled the potatoes, and then while they're warm, I cut them up in little chunks. And then when they cool, I add the mayonnaise to it. I always use Best Foods mayonnaise because I found out it is the best. And
so how many potatoes? That's 10 pounds?
No, this is 5 pounds of potatoes plus 1 for the pot and 1 for me. So that's about 6 pounds of potatoes there.
All right.
And then...
And how much mayonnaise?
And, oh gads, I don't know. Just put mayonnaise in it until it kind of looks good. I would say a cup and a half. Start with a cup and a half. And then you have to get it to where it's all sticks together a little bit. Okay? And now I boil a dozen eggs. And what I do is I hard boil a dozen eggs, and I always put a dozen eggs in it. And you take the eggs and you chop them up like this till they're all in little fine little chunks. And then I just add the eggs, whoops, to the potato salad. Mix it all in real good. You have to get it way down at the bottom so the eggs go down to the bottom too. I didn't know how to make potato salad before I came to America. Mm-hmm. So this is Australian potato salad, American way. Okay? Go. And then I chop up 3/4 of a cup of red onion. It's like a red onion, okay. The reason I use red onion is because a lot of people don't like onion. And if I put the red onion in, they can see it and they can pick it out.
Okay. How fine did you chop that? Let me pan in on that. All right.
You just kind of sliver it like that.
Mm-hmm. And you said about a half a cup?
A little over a half a cup. Yeah.
All right.
Oh no, that was 3/4.
3/4 of a cup.
That was 3/4 of a cup. The onion flavors it all the way through. Okay. Okay, that is not enough onion.
How can you tell?
Because it you just don't see enough of it.
Okay.
So I'm going to put another 1/4 of a cup in there.
About another 1/4 cup for a total of about a cup of red onion.
Red onion.
And again, it's for flavoring, and you use the red onion, so if anybody's not a big onion fan,
they can pick it out.
They can see it easily and pull them out.
Pick it out, right. And then I cut up sweet pickles. They have to be sweet pickles. And I cut them up.
Mom's already cut the sweet pickles up earlier.
What
about
I do
this size.
Is I get a pickle and I cut it. Wait a minute, I'll show you how I cut them.
Onions, we add about 2 cups of pickles.
2 cups of
2
pickles.
cups of pickles. Mom's got one last that she's going to slice.
You slice it down this way, and then you slice it this way.
So and quarter then, it,
and then you just cut it up in chunks.
She's already got the other 2 cups right here, and in it goes.
In it goes. I'm cooking for the United States Army.
Yeah, there you go. It's Sunday. We're cooking for a special gathering that we've got coming up on Tuesday.
My niece Marianne is coming from Australia, so I have to get something going for her.
Now that we've got our onions and pickles in, looks like
We're
some
good
time
with
for
some
some pepper.
Pepper.
Just
and
regular-
salt. Just regular black
Black pepper.
pepper. You can use white pepper if you don't like the looks of the black pepper. But I always find the black pepper has a little more pungent taste.
Mm-hmm.
And what you do is you put a bit of salt in it, and then you stir it up. And then you put a little more salt down in it because that other salt would go down.
Mm-hmm.
I don't salt it too much because a lot of people can't eat a lot of salt. And then I put salt and pepper on the table and they can salt and pepper it if they want to. And I just, don't ask me how much, I just put some in. I'd say a tablespoonful,
Hard to say how much mustard.
about a tablespoon.
So just by looks,
Just by looks, you have to just look.
okay. Add a little bit more. Always add more. Can't take it out.
You have to have a looking good as well as tasting good.
There you go. And you just keep working it all in.
Working it all in. That's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Because it's so much. But you want a little bit of mustard here, and you want a little bit of mustard there. This is my famous yellow bowl.
Okay.
I always make potato salad, put it in there. If I ever break this bowl, I don't know what I'll do.
No. Right, here's our finished product. Now you'll keep that in the refrigerator for a couple of days before you serve?
2 days. It's best to make it at least 1 day beforehand, and 2 days really gets the flavors together.
All right, looks fabulous. What are we having on Tuesday to serve that with?
Oh, we're having a big party here for Marianne coming from Australia. We're having pulled barbecue pork, we're having potato salad, we're having baked beans, we're having a fruit salad, we're having a vegetable tray, we're having stuffing balls, we're having corn salad, oh, a whole bunch. And of course, not to mention,
And what else do we have in there?
for dessert, the strawberry cakes,
Oh,
2 of them. Those are Beth's favorites, Amy's favorites.
I think they're most everybody's favorites.
Yeah.
They look tasty.
So we'll get it all together.
Tuesday will be fun. All right.
Okay.
Cheerio, Mike.
Cheerio. Have a good day, you guys.